What's up, people? You are back to IT. We're back for another installment. I just had to say installment. I don't know why, but you are back to IT. Please like, subscribe to the channel, share. Don't forget to post a comment below to let me know that you were here in the first place. I told you, I like to know that you was here. So post below, nice little comment. Don't get, this ain't nothing crazy, but yeah, post in the box below. Today we're gonna talk about what does a certification say about you? It's a topic I've been wanting to talk about for a while, but I'm gonna address a couple things that I think need to be addressed so people can understand what a certification truly does and what it doesn't do, and how a certification might be perceived. Okay, so again, please like, share, subscribe to the video. And also, I'm gonna start doing videos on Thursdays as well. I'm gonna do a Thursday tutorial on SQL. So I'm gonna do a little segment where I post a SQL video on Thursday. It's your opportunity to kind of get some more skills, develop some more things to add to your resume. And we're gonna use PostgreSQL. Just had to throw that out there. I can maintain that on a weekly basis. So that's what we'll be doing. I'll be posting on Mondays, 4 p.m., Thursdays, 4 p.m. I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm trying to post more often. I've been getting some great feedback, and thank you for the feedback and love I've been getting. I've been getting a lot of messages and support. So with that being said, let's get to it. So what does a certification say about you? Well, I think a certification states when you don't, let's say even if you have a college 4-year degree, a certification to me means that you were willing to go that extra mile to get more focused studies, to just go the extra mile to get that education. If you don't have a bachelor's degree or any kind of degree, a certification still says the same thing, in my opinion. It doesn't say anything different. It means that you still wanted to get something, that even if it's not viewed as a credential such as a bachelor's or master, you still wanted to get something to give recruiters some kind of idea that you truly have some of this knowledge. Now, we both know this does not certify that you have that knowledge. It doesn't certify that you're even good at it. But neither does a bachelor's or master's. We all know people with bachelors and masters and everything that's still not the brightest people in their field. So that doesn't determine how successful you will be. So I just wanted to put things in perspective. I wanted people to really look at that, because I know a lot of people who went to school, got these degrees, and they look at people who are like the self-taught people. They look at those people as if these are people that's trying to cut corners, but it's not true. Because it's actually harder for a self-taught person. They have to work harder to get a job. And and maybe it's frustrating because they go through this 4-year, 6-year program and get these degrees, and they find themselves sitting right next to somebody who didn't get a degree. I can see that, making you feel a certain type of way, but just realize you are where you need to be and focus on yourself. Everybody needs to focus on themselves and their own path. Everybody don't have to go to school. School is not for everybody. So I think that society wants you to always stick to this traditional route. But there are a lot of people out here who just take a different path. Just think about it, programmers. Programmers are creative people. Now, doesn't it make sense that a programmer may take a creative route to get a job or to get somewhere in life? It makes sense to me. So the certifications, to me, they just say that you went the extra mile to get more knowledge on top of what you already know. I personally don't think having a bachelor's, master's, or a certification will get you a job. You need to know something, and you need to be able to prove that you know what you know. So when you get that interview, it's showtime for all of you. Whether you have a bachelor's, master's, or whatever, or engineering certification, when you get that interview, you need to prove that you know what you know still. Now, I do think 4-year degrees and, master's degrees, I do think that a lot of the recruiters will take a look at those first. But I think a lot of times they do that to kind of weed out people. They're getting so many people, they need to just cut it down. But it doesn't speak to the skill level of anybody, in my opinion. So if you're that person who don't have a degree and you want to get a certification, get the certification. You just got to be more creative about how you get your job. But yes, you can get a job. You know, I just think that we shouldn't make people feel like if they don't have a 4-year degree or if they don't have a master's degree that they don't matter because of that. That's just ridiculous in my opinion. All it takes is the hiring manager to believe that you can do a job, then they will hire you whether you have a 2-year degree, a certification, 4-year degree, or a master's. So just know, when you get that interview, you gotta show and prove, okay? That's the time you gotta really show what you know. So don't worry about the extra and don't worry about the other stuff. So get those certifications if that's what you want. If you wanted to get a master's, get that if that's what you wanna do. So that's the video for today. So till next time, please share, like, subscribe to the channel. You know, I've been doing pretty good. I've been getting some subscribers every week. I didn't really create this channel for that. So I created this channel for the purpose of just showing someone getting back into the industry after being out of the industry for about 18 years. That's a long time. So I wanted people to see that experience. That was my main goal for creating the channel, but I've been getting a lot of love and a lot of subscribers. So carry on. Carry on. Let's continue the process. You know, now that that's going that way, you know, it wasn't my intention to really create the channel for that purpose, but that's okay. I'll ride with it. So till next time, be on the lookout. Mondays, 4 p.m. Thursday is a sequel. We're gonna do our Postgres SQL course on a Thursday. It'll be a short video and it's also gonna be posted at 4 p.m. So program your minds. Mondays, 4 p.m., Thursdays, 4 p.m. We're gonna see more of each other, okay? How about that? Our relationship is just gonna be so much stronger. So till next time, peace.